After nearly 6 years away from Hindi cinema, is Desi girl Priyanka Chopra finally staging a big screen comeback? Rumors are swirling that she might be joining Sanjay Leela Bhansali's highly anticipated epic Love and War alongside Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt and Vicky Kaushal. From fan accounts to Bollywood insiders, the buzz is everywhere and fans are manifesting her return. What's the rumor all about? So what exactly is going on? The internet lit up this week with whispers of Priyanka being approached for Love and War, Sanjay Leela Bhansali's 2025 prestige project, reportedly a romantic war drama featuring a dream cast of Ranbir, Alia and Vicky. While there is no official confirmation yet, sources close to the production hint that Priyanka is very much in talks, possibly in a pivotal role that could shift the film's emotional weight. Let's rewind. Her last full-fledged Bollywood appearance was in 2019's The Sky is Pink. Since then, she's been Cannes ready, Emmy-nominated, and handling OTT thrillers like Citadel. But on the big Hindi screen, radio silence until now. What it could mean for her career? If true, this comeback would mark a major inflection point in Priyanka's career arc. Over the past decade, she's gone from Kamine and Barfi to Quantico and The Matrix Resurrections. She's juggled red carpets with Baby Bottles, a global skincare brand, a memoir, and multiple Netflix productions. Now, rumors link her not just to Love and War, but also to an upcoming film with RRR director S.S. Rajamouli. Her plate is global, but Bollywood remains unfinished business, especially when it comes to auteur-led cinema. A return with Bhansali wouldn't just be nostalgic. It would be strategic. It could reposition her not as a returning heroine, but a seasoned artist re-entering a more mature, evolved industry. Star combo chemistry. Let's talk about ensemble energy. Ranbir Kapoor brings brooding depth, Alia Bhatt delivers fire and finesse, and Vicky Kaushal's charm is unstoppable. Now imagine throwing Priyanka Chopra into this mix. Fans are especially curious to see her chemistry with Ranbir. After all, they have never been romantically paired. With Vicky, it would be a powerhouse match of charisma, and with Alia, a generational meeting of acting titans. And let's not forget Sanjay Leela Bhansali. His signature grandeur, emotional intensity, and operatic visuals could give Priyanka a platform unlike any she's had before. Think Bajirao Mastani but reimagined. History check. When Aishwarya Rai returned in Devdas or Punniyan Selvan, it wasn't just about her comeback. It was about reclaiming narrative power. Could Priyanka be doing the same? Female stardom in 2025. Zooming out, what does this say about female stardom in 2025? Many top actresses, Kareena, Shushmita, Raveena, have embraced OTT as a second innings. Meanwhile, big banner films still lean toward younger, bankable male stars, but Priyanka has always broken the mold. She's never shielded away from age, ambition, or audacity. If she does say yes to Love and War, it might signal a shift where global stars return on their terms, choosing roles that serve their brand and challenge their craft. Is it nostalgia, fan service, or simply the right script at the right time? If Priyanka signs on Love and War, could redefine how female actors navigate comebacks in an industry that's finally beginning to value depth over novelty. So now we ask you, are you excited for Priyanka's possible return to Bollywood? Which co-star pairing excites you the most, Ranbir, Vicky or Alia? And next up, our special feature on the August 2025 Face Off, War 2 vs Coolie, big action, bigger stakes.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.